The hybrid saga continues. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 91 in the metallic gold colorway. Now this shoe was another hybrid shoe. It is the Air Max 1 upper with the Air Max 90 midsole and outsole. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is white, metallic gold. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features, like I said before, the Air Max 1's upper with the Air Max 90's midsole and outsole. Taking a look at the toe, you've got the white toe box with the black detailing in the front, and you've got the white leather toe cap. For the tongue, you've got a leather tongue with the white and gold Nike Air Max tongue tag. The insole is white with the metallic gold Nike swoosh. For the lateral, you've got the white leather upper with the white leather overlay panels and the metallic gold Nike swoosh. The heel is white leather, and you also have the Nike Air branding in metallic gold. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the white leather upper with the white leather overlay panels, and you've got the metallic gold Nike swoosh. The midsole is white with the visible Nike Air Max unit in gold, and you've got the black and gold outsole. The quality on this shoe is amazing. The leather is perhaps one of the softest leathers that I've seen on any Air Max shoe this year, and outside of that, it's still a very clean colorway. I haven't really completely warmed up to the 90 outsole, but if the quality being pumped out is similar to this on every shoe, then I have no problem with it at all. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
For you, that's all that I do.
The Nike Air Max 91 in the white and metallic gold colorway hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 25th for a retail price of $140. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.